Hello and welcome again. In this session, we will discuss about the validation of text data and numerical value. That when you are trying to enter some data in a particular cell or a range of cell, whether it will allow a text data or whether it will allow a numerical values or not. This can also be done through data validation only. For example, here I want some name. Okay, I want some name or some product list. Now what I want, the name should be only alphabets. It will accept only alphabetical numbers. It will not accept any other number than the alphabets. Okay, then how we can make this name things or validate those things. For example, right now if I am trying to write A, B, C, D or some different number, and even if I try some number, it will allow me because there is no validation here applied. So what we want it to apply, that it will accept only alphabets, not the number. Okay, only alphabet, not number. Okay, make it okay. Now select the area where you want to apply. Go to data. In this data, we have data validation again, asset. Now this time I will go there and I will select their custom formula. Instead of selecting the name, list and date time, we can select custom formula. Select it and go there and choose the option. Now there is a formula which will restrict a text data or a numerical value. There is a formula. If you want to allow only text, then there is a formula called equal to ISTEXT, is text. Okay, bracket open and select the first cell only and close the bracket. Is text B14. You just have to select the first cell. Now once you make it okay, automatically after that the validation is applied. Now if I want to write my name here, okay, my name here, it will say okay, fine. If I want to write A, B, C, D, it says fine. But if I want 1, 2, 3, 4, it will restrict me not to allow numerical value. We cannot write, yeah, we can mix it because mixing a number become text. But whole number cannot be allowed, or any decimal number cannot be allowed without any text. So it will allow only text data only. Okay, I say allow text data only. Okay, simple. It will allow you. The same case where you want to allow only numerical data, numerical value, numbers only. You want only numbers. You do not want text. Okay, allow only numbers. You do not want any text. Similar, you can select, okay, the area. After selecting the area, you can go to the data validation. Again, select the custom formula, and similar small formula is there. Here we have used is text, so it will allow only text data, and here we will allow is number, so it will allow only number data, is number. Simple. Bracket open, is number, bracket open, bracket close, select the first cell and make it okay. Now if I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, it says okay fine, okay fine. But if I want to try some letters, it will not allow me. So this way you can validate your text and numbers. One more thing is about the text length. Text length. Now when we use text length, suppose a phone number, a contact number. You want that in a particular cell, only fixed number of text is allowed. Like example for phone number. So if you go to phone number, you select this one. Normally the phone number will be of 9-digit or 10-digit number depending upon country to country. If suppose in your country it's 9-digit number is allowed, or is working, or a 10-digit number is allowed. Like in India, there is a 10-digit number is allowed, or some other countries they have 9 digits, like that 8 digits also is there. Now, if you want 10-digit number only is allowed, so select the number, go to data validation, select here text length. Now we do not select whole number or number. Whole number is a number, 10 is a number. We do not want 10 numbers, we want 10 list. Okay, 10 digit only allowed, 10 letters allowed. So 10 letters of numbers, anything we allowed. So we can select text length, and here we can make it equal to. We do not want greater than, less than, we want equal to, and write 10 because I want 10-digit phone number only allowed. not 9 digit, not 11 digit. Now finally make it, okay? If you write suppose 984345633 example 10 digit, it says okay, fine. So any number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, okay, 10 is allowed, but less than 10 not allowed, and more than 10 not allowed. So you can easily validate that every time when you make some entries, it is allowing you exactly the same number that you want. Okay, even if you suppose the number name, you can have a name, let's say A, B, C, D, like that. You can write 10 times, you can write only. Okay, before 10 times, more than 10 times or less than 10 times is not allowed. Right? So we have seen how you can restrict the entry of only text, or you can restrict the entry of only numbers, and even restrict the entry of not greater not less numbers, exactly the fixed value you want to enter. Then we have text length options, right? So I hope like you like this session. See you again. Till then.